In an effort to do arts where you find it, I like just finding different images and changing them into different stuff. Funny stuff. I like funny. Funny makes me laugh. Here's one of them times now. On the internet, I found this picture. Hold Command Tab and then choose Internet. New. Type in vintage Neo microwave oven and hit go. I'm going to choose the images until I get to the one I like. I like that one. This one, I'll hold down Control and bring this pop up to open image, a new tab. There it is. Hold down Control again. Copy image. Go to my Photoshop. I have an AI built background. I hit Command V for paste. F key for full screen, Command 0 for full screen. On this microwave, I'm going to go to select subject and hit the mask button. Also, I know I'm going to want these to line up, so I'll hit my M for marquee. Hit Shift M and it's going to make a circle. Deselect, hold down Option, start from the center, hold Shift to make a perfect circle. I may want all that. Command J will give me a whole nother copy of it. I'm going to put it down here so that they're symmetrical dials. Option, touch my mask, mask the whole thing out. B for brush, all white, 100. I'm going to start masking in parts of this. I know I'm going to want. Bring the whole thing in. B, smaller, Control, get the softy one. X. Mask it out. So your mask is looking like that's how much of that dial we're letting in. V for move tool. I'm just going to move this around so it looks about right. I just want these two dials to line up. Save this into microwave smiley face. Wow, icons like hieroglyphics. It's a brave new world, ain't it? With this, then I'm going to take my MADDLOVE logo from earlier, bring that in there. That's good. Now, grab the dials, oven, group both of those, Command G. Microwave oven, Command T, holding down Shift, it's going to make it only in increments, I don't know, 90 degrees or 45. Good deal. We got a smiley face. One thing I want to do now is, I wonder if this will do the whole Command Shift A for camera raw. I'm going to merge this down. E. Preserve. Go ahead and use that. Apply. Command Shift A. And up here, let's see this icon for, I don't know, geometry. Oh, geometry. If I touch this one, I can square this up. So I run one up the left side, one up the right side, and it'll skew it. And then here's our bottom. Run that across the bottom. Run this across the top. Now it's fairly square. I'm going to undo that and redo it. Undo, skewed, redo, dead on. I'll make our Mad Love a little smaller. And our oven in the center. Load this oven image with a command key to load that transparency. Hold down Option, grab a hue saturation. Call this the shadow. Make this a bit darker. Move the whole thing down. Let's see, it looks like it's there. And then I can go under Properties and Feather blur it. That kind of works. You got a smiley face oven. Made the world a little happier place. Let's call it a day. Bye-bye.